Good morning, everybody. So we're back in the kitchen, always in the kitchen. So got a Sam's haul yesterday. As far as meat, produce, and dairy went, they look pretty good. Paper products, not so much. But I got toilet paper and paper towels and milk. And I have the toilet paper down here, but paper towels and stuff is all just too big to pick up and show you. But got some quilted northern, and I don't know what brand the paper towels are. I think they're basic or something like that, whatever Sam's brand is. So first we got some eggs, and I was so happy to find some produce, you guys. The local grocery stores around my house, they have nothing, literally nothing. No sausage, no meat, no milk, no eggs, no produce. Like there's nothing in the store, in the smaller stores around my house. So I was getting a little worried that we wouldn't be able to get any fresh food. So we got the eggs. I got a big thing of mushrooms. I did just purchase 2 other packages of mushrooms, so I'll be dehydrating some mushrooms. We got some avocados. These are the nicest avocados we've gotten in a long time. And they're Hass avocados. My husband knows I love those. We got some ranch dressing mix because I'm almost out of one, and when I use one, I replace it. I got 2 packages of blueberries that I have already bagged up, ready for the freezer. I did the same with a package of chicken wings. My husband loves his chicken wings, and they can be elusive, so I've bagged them up for the freezer. I got some, look at these strawberries. I was so excited. These are just beautiful, you guys. It's the little things in life, y'all. It's the little things. So, blueberries for him and his yogurt, strawberries for me. We got some bell peppers, and I do have some bell peppers growing out in the garden still, so those will be nice. We've got some tomatoes. I do still have tomatoes growing in the yard, but they are green. Got some sour cream because I love sour cream and I use it to make my ranch dressing. I find the combination of mayonnaise and sour cream makes a very nice dressing. Celery. This is the best looking celery I've seen in a long time. It's already done. It sticks, but hey, that's what they had. It looks good. It's not brown. It's not bruised up. It's good. We got some lettuce. It's iceberg. It's what they had, but they look good. It's not brown. And oh, those strawberries smell so good after I open them. And a big old bag of onions. And these are some of the best looking onions I've seen in a while. And these were grown in Utah. So they're not from Mexico. And I got a small package of, well, I don't know, it's relative, right? Of sushi, which I've already been eating on. There were 4 kinds of sushi. You could get 4 rolls for the price of 2 rolls if you bought the rolls separately. And I got a gallon of milk. So yeah, that's my fresh produce haul for this week. I was happy to get it. We will enjoy some salads and some fruit. And yeah, just thought I'd share. This is a fill-in replacement, but I think that's the only pantry item I got in this order. My auto ship has been coming in, so I will unpack that and we will see what's in there in the next video. So you all stay safe, stay healthy. It's raining here and we have a lot of unusual air traffic from the base out there today. So you all take care and I will see you in the next video.